only we can fly. Limp Bizkit style. Pascal, Thielen, take them to the Matthews Bridge.
Limp Bizkit songs always have awesome drum sounds.
Can you feel it?
Let's take a look around and see how you can achieve them.
Generation.
Limp Bizkit and their drummer John Otto have been mixing hip-hop with metal since their formation in 1994. This made them one of the most successful bands in the late 90s and early 2000s nu metal wave. The drum sounds on the records show obvious influences of both of these genres. The high-tuned snares and tight grooves are derived from hip-hop, while the use of lots of crash and China cymbals show a clear metal influence. Check out how this sounds on one of their biggest hits, Break Stuff, from their 1999 album Significant Other.
It's all about the he said, she said fools. I think you better quit, slip, or you'll be leaving with a fat lip. It's all about the he said, she said fools. I think you better quit talking that. It's just one of those days.
A look at John Otto's drum setup from 2000 gives away what elements come from which of the two genres. The very long OCDP 22x20 inch bass drum he plays was a modern size in rock and metal at the time, just like the 4 toms and China cymbals. Elements in his setup that come from hip-hop include the addition of numerous small-sized splash cymbals, as well as 13-inch hi-hats, which have a crisp and very controlled sound, while still cutting through in a loud metal scenario. This goes to show that his setup is a combination of different influences, just like his sound. Now, to recreate this sound, we needed a modern kit with a 22-inch kick, 2 large rack toms, and 16 and 18-inch floor toms. So we chose old reliable, our Gretsch Renown kit. We last used this kit for our recreation of Gavin Harrison's drum sound on Porcupine Tree's In Absentia. Check that out if you haven't already. The bass drum still had the Remo Ambassador SMT batter head on, which suited our needs perfectly as it has tons of attack in a super low tuning. On the front of the bass drum, we chose a ported single ply head and added yet another porthole, just like the one John Otto used to play at the time. It too is tuned really low. For muffling, Pascal used 1 pillow and 1 blanket on the batter head. The front head is only touched very lightly by the blanket, which leaves it free to resonate and create lots of low end through the mics. Here's how it sounds. For the toms, we used clear Remo Emperor batter heads for attack and durability, and clear Ambassador reso heads. All are tuned medium-low, with the resos being slightly higher than the batter heads. We left them unmuffled, and this is what they sound like. John Otto used to play piccolo snares a lot, or even invented ones from his endorser company, OCDP. These snares were a 2000s phenomenon and very loud. Since we don't have a vented snare in our collection, we chose our Gretsch Gergo Borlai signature model, which still had the 20 strand wires installed from our Jeff Procaro recreating video. The CS head on it was also a great fit, as it is durable enough to withstand hard hitting while still having the open sound character of a single ply Ambassador head. Pascal tuned it up really high. And left it unmuffled for maximum overtones. Here's how it sounds. For cymbals, we referenced his setup from the Modern Drummer article and chose this from left to right. A 13-inch Zildjian K custom dark hi-hat, a 20-inch Sound Effects Crash of Doom, a 6-inch A-Series Splash, a 19-inch Ultra Hammered A-Series China, and a 13-inch A New Beat hi-hat, where the top cymbal is mounted really tightly on the hi-hat clutch. Continuing towards the right, we used an 8-inch A Custom Splash, 17 and 16-inch Z Custom Crashes, a 20-inch K Custom Medium Ride, an 18-inch A Custom Projection Crash, and a Z Custom 20-inch China, which is 11 cymbals in total. To mic it all up, we used Beyerdynamic M90 Pro X's as AB overheads, a TGD71 inside the kick, and a TGD70 inside of the portholes, an M201 and an MC930 as snare top, a TGD58 on snare bottom for some more high-end, TGD57s on the rack toms, and TGI51s on the floor toms. The hi-hat is recorded through an MC930, and we used an M90 Pro X in the room. Before we get to the result, have you checked out ArtOfDrumming.com yet? It's a completely free platform where tons of drum lessons with some of the world's best drummers are waiting for you. Since the site is free, and we want to keep providing that for you, there's a chance to donate in the description of this video. Every small amount helps us sustain our work. Thank you so much for your support. With all that said and done, here's Pascal's version of Break Stuff.
It's just one of those days where you don't want to wake up. Everybody sucks. You don't really know why, but you want to justify that someone's head off. No human contact, and if you interact, your life is on contract. Your best bet is to stay away, mother. It's just one of those days. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit, let it slip, or you'll be leaving with a fat lip. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit talking that. It's just one of those days, feeling like a freight train. First one to complain, leaves with the blood stain. Damn right, I'm a maniac. You better watch your back, cause I'm f***ing up your program. And you're stuck up, you just locked up. Next in line to get f***ed up. Your best bet is to stay away, mother. It's just one of those days. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit, let it slip, or you can leave it with a fat lip. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit talking that. So come and get it.
For another perspective on this sound, we checked out the song Rollin from their follow-up album Chocolate Starfish and the Hot Dog Flavored Water, which was released in 2000. It sounds like this.
Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Now I know y'all be loving this.
To recreate this sound, we could leave almost everything as it was. Pascal only had to crank up the snare even more. With the mix redone, here's his version of Rollin.
Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give a f. All the lovers, all the haters, and all the people that call themselves players. Hot mamas, pimp daddies, and the people rolling up in caddies. Hey rockers, hip hoppers, and everybody, everybody, everybody. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, rolling.
Did you like our recreation? If so, please tell us in the comments. Also, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We have a lot more coming. See you next time.
Rolling.